We believe fitness should be fun and that everything you do adds up to a healthier you. That's why Flex 2 tracks all-day activity like steps, distance, and calories burned, no matter where you're going. Flex 2 is life-proof and swim-proof. It automatically tracks your laps while you swim and other exercises like running, biking, and aerobic workouts. Then syncs it all to the Fitbit dashboard and lets you share and compete with friends. Flex 2 is designed with an ultra-slim removable tracker that hides away in classic bands, fashionable bracelets, and pendants. So it works with your personal style and goes everywhere that you do. Using colored lights and vibration patterns, Flex 2 notifies you when you're getting calls or texts when your phone's nearby. And when you need a nudge to stay active, you'll get a reminder to move that encourages you to get going and hit your goals. Flex 2 automatically tracks how long and how well you sleep to give you a fuller picture of your health. From day to night and everywhere in between, Flex 2 goes wherever life takes you.
Let's start with the Fitbit Charge 2. It's available in two styles. For $149.95 you get the classic fitness band, which is available now. And for $179.95 you get the special edition series, which is available in October. The Charge 2 is for men and women who want to have an active lifestyle and track their everyday fitness. With Purepulse, the Charge 2 provides continuous all-day heart rate tracking. It has multiple sports modes and uses SmartTrack to automatically recognize workouts, such as running, cycling, weights, and more. It can be connected to your phone's GPS to record a map of your route and provide real-time stats. While the Charge 2 is water resistant, it cannot be fully submerged in water. One great feature is that it gives you friendly reminders to get up and move. In addition to activity, it will track your sleep pattern and wake you up with a vibrating alarm. And last but not least, has a 5-day battery life. Now let's compare the Fitbit Flex 2. Available in October, the Fitbit Flex 2 is $99.95. It's 30% slimmer than the original Flex and is available in numerous fitness band colors. You can also purchase a variety of bangles, necklaces, and clip-on accessories. Similar to the Charge 2, it accurately tracks all-day stats, such as distance, steps, calories burned, and more. It uses SmartTrack to easily identify workouts and gives reminders to meet hourly step goals. In addition, it tracks your sleep and will wake you with a silent vibrating alarm, and has a 5-day battery life. And now the biggest new feature of the Fitbit Flex 2. It is the first Fitbit to be fully waterproof. Both the Fitbit Charge 2 and the Fitbit Flex 2 are top-of-the-line fitness wearable devices. They are perfect for anyone, from the avid fitness guru to the fitness novice.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.